Welcome everyone. Like the animation we saw last time, today we will create it. First, let's choose appropriate backdrop. So, we choose basketball field. Now let's import characters. We will need a batter, a catcher, an audience to cheer for every bonus the batter gets, and finally the ball which would be hit. Here is a mind map to remind you the activity we would have to do while programming. Firstly, let's program the batter. Choose size 90 for appropriate synchronization with the backdrop. Now it has to be executed as soon as we run it, so we use this. Now to give consent to start bowling, we will make him say let's get started for 1 second. To ensure he is in batting ready condition, we will use costume A. Then we make him wait again for 1 second to let the ball come near him. Also, to hit the ball, we will require sound effects. So let's import it. Now we place it so that the sound may execute. Now we use loop 2 times to switch to next costume. This may make it seem to be moving. After the ball has been tackled, we will need batter to switch to original position. Now let's go to code the catcher. We have positioned it to appropriate location. Again, we will execute it when run. We will wait for 3 seconds to let the batter hit the ball. And then we will give cheers. Now let's import this sound and play it until done. Now comes the baseball. Once again, let's start whenever executed. We will wait 1 second to wait for the batter to give permission to ball. Then we will let it glide to given position. Firstly, let's lower its size. We have noted the coordinates of the ball. Now, to know coordinates of the place where batter will hit, we place ball there, record it and then enter it. And after that, we use it again so that the ball may glide to any boundary we desire. At the end of it, we want again the ball to be where we put it earlier. So, we record the position and place it there. Now, let's execute it. It's time for the cheering person. Firstly, let's put it to appropriate place and size. We wait for 3 seconds to let batter hit the ball. Considering there are 4 costumes of the same cheering person, we make it multiple of say 12 times loop. We wait for say 0.1 second to let audience know it is moving. And then choosing next costume. Also, execution is fine. Now right click on the chair and duplicate it so that our model gets some company for the game. And here it goes.